What's up, guys? Welcome back to my podcast. I am Japanese Jenn, and it's only right for me to introduce myself and let you know who I am. I am Japanese Jenn. I am an entrepreneur. I am a CEO. I am an artist. I own multiple companies. I'm invested in a lot of different things, a lot of different real estate, music investments, artists, people that just want to get into this entertainment industry and, take off and take it to another level. I teach courses on how to make money online and how to make money in the music industry. So I'm here for you guys. Whatever you need, hit me up. My email is jennjapanese@yahoo.com. I also own a company called Makemoney Media. The email there is musicmoneymedia@yahoo.com. Partial owner King Mello. Only you have to do is just hit both of us up or whatever. We will respond in a timely manner. If we don't get back with you within 1 to 7 business days, just be patient, because we definitely check our emails every day. I have 2 iPhones, so I'm definitely always on there and making sure that I'm checking and dealing with the business on a day-to-day basis. So don't give up. You know what I'm saying? We will respond to you and let you know what we charge for our services. But anyway, let's get back to this Japanese Jenn podcast. Let me explain to you what the Japanese Jenn kanji symbol means. I chose this symbol it was about 8 years ago, actually. I wanted a symbol that was very, very close to my heart and close to me and the things that I believe in. So I got the artist to draw up my logo, and I want it to look like paint. And it's beautiful. I love it. I love my logo. My logo speaks for itself. It's on everything. It's my brand, and it makes a lot of money. Yeah, I'm not supposed to brag, but it does. But that Japanese kanji symbol means beauty, wealth, and prosperity. Beauty, wealth, and prosperity. That's what it means. Of course, beauty speaks for itself, wealth speaks for itself, and prosperity speaks for itself. It's to empower women that we could do and be anything that we want to be in life. And, we really never have to give up and really depend on anybody. We are independent, strong women. We can do whatever we put our minds to, because we run the world. Like Beyonce said, we run the world. It is what it is. We're dominating in music right now. We're dominating in acting. We're dominating in podcasting. We're dominating in rap. What more do you want? What more do you need from us? We're taking over the world. Black women are the most successful self-made entrepreneurs in the world right now, with no money backing. These are girls that's just, going into saving up their budgets or whatever they're doing, their 9-to-5 money, and they're starting their businesses, and they're flourishing and they're prospering. I love that for us. And I'm just here. Like I said, this podcast is gonna we're gonna cover a lot of things. We're gonna cover celebrity news, of course. We're gonna cover entertainment news. We're gonna cover what y'all like the most, what y'all always searching for: how to make money online, how to build generational wealth for your families, because that's what's important. As Black people, we have to know that's what we need to do: build generational wealth, create these LLCs, create these incorporations, and get these DUNS numbers and start these businesses or whatever. Build wealth for your family for years and years to come. So that's what this podcast is going to be all about. Of course, a little kikis and all that here and there, but that's what we're basically going to do on this podcast. And when you're listening, I want you to take something from it every day. But at the end of the day, remember, we run the world. That's all I gotta say. That's the intro. I'm out.